The question is this: can LinkedIn Premium users, LinkedIn Premium, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, LinkedIn Recruiter, can they see who viewed, who searches for them in LinkedIn search? Let me show you what you can and can't see in LinkedIn Sales Navigator and free LinkedIn. The bottom line, the answer real simply is this: they cannot see the names of who viewed their profile. I'm a premium user. If I go to my analytics right here, excuse me, I'm a Sales Navigator user. I had 377 search appearances in the previous week. If I click on that, here's the words I get found for, the keywords: navigator, sales training specialist, business coach, sergeant, and sales trainer. I don't get sergeant, but those are 5 of the keywords that have me show up in somebody's LinkedIn search. But then here's 5 companies that the people searching for me work for. Now, it says top companies, but these are random, and this is not this company here. I guarantee you there's other companies I've worked with that search for me more than people at TrueLiant. But people at TrueLiant, Forbes Coaching, National Resume Writers, Medium, and Town of East Longmeadow have searched for me, probably using these words or some other words similar. And then the last thing you can see is the top job titles. 9.8% are business strategists who found me using some specific words. Salespeople found me, founder has found me, marketing specialist has found me, and advertising specialist. But you know what I don't see in this list, and I wish I would see it higher in the list, is sales executive or sales trainer or VP of sales. But I'm good with salespeople and founder. So the bottom line is I still can't see the individuals that search for me. Now let me go to a LinkedIn profile on another computer who's not paying for LinkedIn and show you what they see. Now here's my business partner, Rebecca Burriss. I look at her profile and I come down. Notice hers isn't up top like mine is. Hers is down here under analytics, 19 profile views, 23 post impressions, and then 4 search appearances. So what does she see here? She sees the same thing I see, but there's not a lot of data to show. 4 people searched for her, and the primary company was Credit Agricole CIB. And 50% of the people who look for her are business owners, and 25% are consultants. And I'm not sure why it doesn't show me the third group, because that's only 75%. I'm missing at least 25%. But the bottom line is, and she doesn't see keywords. This is only telling her top companies and top job titles, primarily because the number of searches was too low. But yet, still can't see who the individuals are, whether you're paying for LinkedIn or not. Bottom line, you can only see these analytics. Let me go back to my account. At the most, you're going to see the number, keywords, companies, and titles. Nothing more. I'm LinkedIn. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator trainer, coach, and I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator trainer and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.